Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Shark Stratos 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Mop for Carpets Review 2026. Shark AV2501S Robot Vacuum continues to be one of the most popular choices for homeowners looking for a smart cleaning solution in 2026. The Shark Stratos 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Mop AV2700ZE builds upon the impressive features associated with the Shark AV2501S series, combining strong suction power, intelligent mopping, and an advanced NeverTouch self-empty base into a premium automated cleaning package. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, and homes with pets, this robot vacuum delivers powerful debris pickup while simultaneously mopping hard floors. Its intelligent mapping system navigates efficiently around furniture, while the HEPA filtration and self-cleaning dock minimize maintenance. For busy households that demand convenience and deep cleaning, this Shark robot offers an appealing balance of automation and cleaning performance. Whether you struggle with pet hair, dust accumulation, or daily floor maintenance, this model is engineered to simplify household chores significantly. The Shark Stratos combines high-performance suction with sonic mopping technology. It vacuums dirt, dust, pet hair, and crumbs while simultaneously mopping sealed hard floors, delivering a complete floor cleaning solution in a single pass. The included NeverTouch base automatically empties the dust bin and cleans the mop system after each cleaning cycle. With up to 60 days of debris capacity, users can enjoy a largely hands-free experience. Pet owners will appreciate the strong suction and anti-tangle brush design. The robot effectively lifts embedded fur from carpets and collects loose pet hair from hard floors without frequent brush maintenance. The HEPA filtration captures fine dust particles and allergens, helping maintain cleaner indoor air while preventing particles from escaping back into the room. The advanced navigation system creates accurate maps of your home, allowing efficient cleaning routes and improved obstacle detection. Furniture, walls, and common household obstacles are handled smoothly for uninterrupted operation. The Shark Clean app allows you to start, stop, schedule, and customize cleaning sessions from your smartphone. You can set room-specific cleaning routines and monitor cleaning progress in real time. The Shark AV2501S robot vacuum features a modern white finish that complements contemporary home interiors. Its compact profile allows it to clean beneath beds, sofas, and cabinets where traditional vacuums struggle to reach. The overall build quality feels premium, with sturdy construction designed for long-term, everyday use. In everyday cleaning tests, the Shark AV2501S robot vacuum performs exceptionally well on both hard floors and carpets. The mopping feature adds extra value by removing footprints, light stains, and sticky residues from sealed floors. The sonic scrubbing action improves cleaning effectiveness compared to standard drag-style mops used by many competing robots. Homes with pets benefit significantly from the anti-hair wrap technology and self-emptying base, reducing manual cleaning and maintenance requirements. For homeowners researching other automated cleaning technologies for pools and outdoor spaces, this guide on automatic pool cleaner vacuum systems offers additional insights into smart cleaning solutions. The Shark AV2501S integrates smoothly into modern smart homes. Users can schedule cleanings, customize cleaning zones, and manage room-specific tasks directly through the mobile app. Voice assistant compatibility adds convenience by allowing hands-free commands. Starting a cleaning session or sending the robot back to its dock becomes effortless. Check the link in the description to get yours today.